Another simple recipe that can be used as part of the lunchbox or even to serve with a nice cup of tea. A date and condensed milk slice. For this recipe I'm using 1 cup full dates, half a cup of pumpkin seeds, half a cup of walnut and 1 can condensed milk, 1 cup self-raising flour, 1 cup coconut desiccated and 2 eggs, 125 grams butter. So let's start doing this. Very simple. Into a mixing bowl, add the butter and whisk the butter about 1 to 2 minutes. And after, add the desiccated coconut bit by bit. Next, going to add the dates and then add the eggs one by one. While whisking, increase the speed a bit and add the condensed milk slowly. Later, add the pumpkin seeds and then the walnuts, and then on a low speed add the self-raising flour. Increase the speed again and it's ready. Take it out. Now line a sliced pan and preheat the oven to 180 Celsius. And going to transfer the mix. Now spread evenly. Now into the preheated oven, 180 Celsius, about 30 minutes or until when you insert a skewer it comes out clean. I finished baking the slice. I left it to cool down completely and let's take it and see how it is. It's a really soft and a nice slice that you can leave it in an airtight container or in fridge. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.